For this DIY project, you would need a multi-surface metallic gold paint. I got mine from the Target store. I bought 2 shades of gold. The 14 karat gold is the darker shade and the 20 karat gold is the lighter shade. You would also need glitters, which you can buy from any craft store. I got mine also from Target, and this one comes in a really nice packaging, which is also a dispenser. You would need inexpensive Christmas village houses. You can either get it from a craft store, discounted store, or even at the Dollar Tree store. This I got from the Goodwill. They're all thrifted and it's only $3 each. The dark gold metallic paint is used to paint over the darker color part of the house, which is the roof, and you can also use it to paint the details. We would need 2 coatings of paint for a red and a green rooftop. You can use the light metallic gold paint to paint the side of the walls. And you would need 2 coatings of paint for a green or red rooftop. You can use a finer and smaller thin brush to outline the sides of the snow part. Do a first coating of the roof and let it dry for a few minutes. You can speed up the process of drying by using a hair or blow dryer. When the roof part is totally dry, start painting the sides using a lighter gold acrylic, and when it's dry, you can use the dark gold acrylic to paint the details if you want details on your Christmas village houses. I really like this metallic acrylic paint that I'm using because you can use it on wood, glass, metal, canvas, and even these ceramic Christmas village houses. And it's water-based and non-toxic, and it's also dishwasher safe. When you're painting the roof of the house, try to avoid the snow part. And when you're painting details on the house, make sure you use a finer paintbrush. So guys, you can definitely come up with a Christmas village without spending so much money. You can just sprinkle an ample amount of glitters on your Christmas village houses to make it sparkle and look pretty. I didn't use any tacky glue applying the glitters on my Christmas village houses. I just sprinkled it directly before the paint dries off. So it worked. So guys, if you like this video, this DIY Christmas decor idea, please like, share, subscribe if you haven't done already, so I will see you in my next one.